This muscle never rests, and histology makes it very obvious why. So there are three types of muscle in your body: smooth muscle, striated muscle, and cardiac muscle, heart muscle. This is what this video is about. We are going to look at cardiac muscle that is found only in the heart. We are looking at the digital slide of a heart muscle. I'm going to show it to you in more detail. We had a glass slide that was digitized. So digital pathology is the technology that makes it possible to view slides on the computer screens. The key histological features that we're going to try to see in this slide are branching muscle fibers. They are not straight like skeletal muscle, and there's going to be a video about it, and fibers split and reconnect. Striations are present. There is single, or sometimes there are two central nuclei. We have something called intercalated discs, and cells are connected end to end. So it's not that one, like in the smooth muscle video that I'm going to link here as well, that they were ending and that there was the next cell. They are all together. It's called a syncytium, like all these cells together. So let's find the stuff that we just mentioned. Branching muscle fibers, or whatever we're going to see, because I want to start. Let's do the nuclei first, because you can see that they are in the middle, because here is one end of the fiber. This is longitudinal section, not cross section, and we may have cross section as well somewhere, but let's start with the longitudinal section. And the nuclei are nicely visible. They are in the center of this fiber, and you're going to appreciate it more when we talk about striated muscle in the next video. So here, nucleus, they're also elongated, but they're less elongated than the smooth muscles. So you get the point. These are the nuclei. They're nicely visible. Striation. Let's look at if we can see the striation here. Yes, I see it here. And you should be able, so this is digital zoom. Here I see these striations, and let me draw them for you on the image here, like this. You're gonna start seeing them here. This is hematoxylin and eosin scanned at 40x actually. And let me find another place for you where it's nicely visible. Here, you can appreciate it here, not when it's too close, but I'm just gonna draw a circle around it so that you can look at the region. You see it all over the place, but here. Okay, I think we are convinced that there is striation, right? I see it, not in every fiber, but we had some good areas. Branching muscle fibers, let's look at that. Ooh, I think yes, we see it here. Here, this one goes this way, this one goes this way. Branching muscle fibers. Let's find another one. And the more you start realizing what you're looking for, the easier it's gonna be to see it. But some clear examples, because there's always this discrepancy between the drawings and then the real hematoxylin and eosin slide. Here it may be a little bit of an artifact of cutting, but here is some good branching. Now let's find the intercalated discs. They're supposed to be dark step-like lines across the fiber. So let's see if we find any. And while I'm looking for them, they're basically junction between the cardiomyocyte. Cardiomyocyte is the heart cell, a different name for a heart cell. And they, let me find one first. Okay, this may be one. They are pretty subtle. And if we don't have a perfect slide, which, you know what, in real life, you sometimes don't have a perfect slide. But let's find a few more that look like it. They're basically supposed to be like a little bit of a jagged line like that. So let me look for some more. I would say this is probably one. Not spectacular. I would like to see them better. Maybe this one here. Oh, maybe this and this, or it can also be an artifact. There's also there's always this question, is it real in the slides? And sometimes it's difficult to distinguish what is artifact and what is real. Oh, but I think these are real. Look, this one is pretty real. This one here. So they are basically a junction of one fiber here and the other fiber on the other side, and they take part in electric conductivity of the heart. They make it possible for these cells to merge and act in sync and basically like beat all together in the heart by creating this merger of cells called syncytium. They are basically critical for synchronizing heartbeats. So I think we found everything: the striation, branching fibers, central nuclei, and the intercalated discs. In the next video, we'll look at the skeletal muscle, the easiest to recognize. By the way, if you want to learn more about the technology of digital pathology, how these slides are made, I have a book, Digital Pathology One-on-One, and you can get it, the PDF, for free in the link below. I'm going to include it in the video notes, and I talk to you in the next episode.